This is Coach MarJean, and I am going to do a review on Facebook, the new Facebook. There's been some questions asked about how do I find this, how do I find that. So right now I'm on my profile, I'm on my home page, which shows my news feed. Over here is my profile where I can go to see my profile, the way I have it set up, so on and so forth. And this little icon here will take you to your groups that you have if you don't want to search for a group. And I'm going to go to Build It Big with MJ and show you where everything is in a group that you are an admin of. So if you're looking for your member request and you don't see a note anywhere on the front of your group saying you have members sitting waiting to be approved, all you have to do is go over here on the left and you can open that up and it will show you if you have anybody sitting there waiting to get in. And then up here, this home tab here takes you back to your group home setting, not your profile, which is up here. And then go down here, and if you are looking for you want to learn more about your members, you can go to the members tab, membership down here, and that will open up. And if you wanted to get information about your members that have joined in the last 28 days, you can download the details here. At this point, you can open this up. Date range does not apply to top posts, top contributors. Data is always for the last 28 days, and it'll put it into an Excel document for you. And if you want to know the growth, the engagement, in other words, you want to know all of this stuff, then you just click download and it'll go into an Excel file and you'll be able to open it up if you have access to that software. And it should tell you when it's ready. And here it is down here. I'm using Chrome for my browser right now. I'm not sure what browser you use, but if I go and click on that, then it should open up that Excel document for me. If you want to change your group rules, you can do that over here. You can find out, check periodically to see what is Facebook saying about the quality of your group. There's no updates on it. And you can check out the insights for the growth of your group. And here it'll show you, and you can download the details. But again, it only lets you have the last 28 days. It will not, I don't believe, like let's say I want to know from the day of inception, I don't believe that you can get that data. But you'll have to play around with it and see what you can find. And then down here under membership, again, it'll show you who's your members, and if you want to look at your units. And this is where, if you got your group set up as units and you want to see who's completed the units. For me, I have a boot camp for mastering time that I have let people in for free, and I can export the details about the units and if anybody has completed the boot camp. And then I send them a certificate of completion for completing the boot camp. So those are just some things that you can do. So I hope this is helpful. And if you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to me. And we'll talk again soon. We'll see you on the next video.